Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.com. Making this a small video about yen index and yen pairs. Let's get it started. Last Friday we had NFP, and after that, obviously when USD moved, everything else moved as well, and yen also moved. So before the NFP, I had a chart made uh, expecting this. So this is on the 1st, NFP was on the 2nd February. So the 1st, it was doing this. And pull the fib from here to here. This is 50%, then this 11.4 and 88. This is the recipe for, let me show you what it is. It is called a harmonic pattern bat. 50%, 50 to 38%. If it's a B point, drawing fib from here to here, the B's should be not more than 50, should not be 61%, no. So it must be less than 50, more than 38 in between. So that's B. Then C should be in between A and B, ideally 23% line or 11.4. And then a drop all the way to 88%. And then it's a bad pattern completed at this 88%. And then it reacts from there, right? So if you pay attention, look at this one here, where it is now. See this one, pull the fib, 50%, 11.4, 88. So I made this chart. Okay, reversal candle was there. One blue candle. I said, well, it's going to the upside, and this is what happened to this chart, right? On the February 2nd, NFP came down a little bit, and boom, it went up there. And then this is where we closed Friday, right? So this is, and on the basis of that, obviously, all yen pairs should be going to the upside, and they all did. And but I caught only one because the move was very, very fast. So the only thing that I could caught is this. See this USD yen, right? USD was getting strong and start to get weaker. And on Friday, this is a long setup here, 190 pip. And one of these trades, one or two, enough, right? Even though I had before, if you can, yeah, here, see that on second, the same day, this one also. This one, a long setup in euro yen, went up, beautiful 75 pip, and this pound yen 7-minute chart, beautiful entry, and it's on Friday as well for 55 pip. So all yen pairs supposed to be going to the upside. So these are the three that I caught. But now, what is cooking? That's the question. This is what I see right now. It is there, right? Now, if you look at the 4-hour chart, for example, let me show it to you. This is the chart I made. Excuse me. It's wave 1, 2, 3. This is wave 4, around 38%. If it is, then it should be going for wave 5. But is it going to go in a straight line? Well, this is what happened usually, right? So what is cooking right now? The Friday came and we closed the market, but when Sunday, the market will reopen, then we have to see that if it is going to go straight line to complete the wave 5, or it's going to dip first and then go. If it is going to dip first, then what? Right? So this is how it is going to be. I made another chart on a 20-minute, and it's this one. So from here to here, it bounced from here as a bad pattern, and then it ended up here. Now, if you draw the fib from here to here now, this is exactly at 78%, right? Now what? So this is the half calculation of another harmonic pattern called butterfly, right? So let me show it to you. I mean, these patterns are basically Elliott wave, but it's easy to explain in terms of these patterns. Now, butterfly pattern is required, and it is like this. If you pull the fib from X to A, then this is 78%. Usually it goes back to 38%, sometimes 23%. And then it will end up at either 127 or 161%. For point D, it will be an extended pattern, right? So what happened to this chart, you could see that what can happen, so either this can go straight line to the upside, just like this pattern here. Sometimes this is what happened. When it drops and it goes up there, 78%, instead of coming down, it will just complete it straight, go to the upside, and then complete the pattern here. Just wave 1, 2, and then 3, right? 127%, 161% of it. Or if you drop here a little bit and then go to the upside. So that's what I'm looking at. These two possibilities. Where the heck it go? Right here. So either if we stay below 69.88 and below 78%, and we get a reversal candle, then thing is going to be coming down to this level, which is 38%, and there's another level, 69.49, or somewhere there. And then it will probably go to the upside, or it will go to the upside. So these are the levels that we pay attention to. And a reversal candle in my system here, it helps the red candle, the blue candles, when they make the turn. For example, when it was going to the upside, it started to go to the upside from here, and that's where I caught this trade, which was, I just showed you. Where the heck it go? Oh, this one, right? It started to go, it start to bounce, and then you wait until it goes and give you a confirmed bullish setup. Similarly, the bullish setup was here, right? Way above the wave, and the bullish setup was here. But also you can see when it's gonna go down, let's say, for example, if this thing is gonna go down, how I'm going to take it, and let's say if I have it here, I don't know if I have it. Do I have it open there? Oh, right here. So then see this? From the top, it will switch and then comes below the wave and then start to give you a short setup. So this was a short setup. My ear took this one and then 65 pip, easy piece. Right. So now this is what I'm expecting, that if it's going to make the turn from there, from 75% from here, then I will take a short if I find the setup. If not, then I'm not going to open the trade. But if I find a proper setup from the 7-minute chart, yes, I will go down until reach this area, and then I'll wait for a bounce, and then after the confirmed move, just like the one I just showed you that I took the other day, right? This one, and this one, especially USD yen, is gonna go up and then give me a long setup, and then I will take that and then go to the long side. But this is what I'm expecting, right? So these are the possibilities of the 4-hour chart I showed you. That's exactly Elliott wave count there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in this we might be cooking like a Armani pattern. If you draw the fifth from here to here, this is 78%, then it's probably going to drop here to 38% and then go to 147 or 161 into this area. 70.50 is a weekly high as well. So this is, you look at this way here, then 76.50 is coming right here, which is in between 127 and 161. Is it going there, or is it going to stop at 127? Time will tell, right? But who cares? As long as you catch some, 50, 60, 100 pip, that's it. Every day. This pair has, all the pair actually has their daily range, right? Daily range means, for example, if you look at this one here, what the heck is that? USD yen. So what is the daily range? Daily range of this pair is the indicator here. I mean, you can see it manually, but I have this indicator that tells me immediately what the daily range is. And oops, my alarm. And I think, see, this one is here. That's why that thing is not coming. Kind of like close. Two indicators at the same time sometimes create problems. So I forgot to take this one out first. I had to take it out before putting the other one. Well, came on the chart anyways, but let me remove this one and then it will show up again. Okay, now, so see this average 60-day range of this pair is 140, means that from top to bottom, it moves 140, right? So if you make an entry here, and then this is the white dotted line, so you calculate that, okay, from there, the highest point is this, and from there, 140 pip is how much, how far? So this is like right there, right? So we'll drop here, right? So my entry is here. So let's say from here to here, I will have 114 pip trade. That's how you do it, right? And then you run. Even before that, 100 pip, yes, okay, I'll run. Forget about that 14 pip. 80, 90, 100, that's more than, right? So this is how everything is done. So this is USD 7 minute. If it's going to drop this pair, this one, right? If it's gonna drop, then I will be looking for something like this. Gonna drop and then give me the entry, and take me down, right? Then it's gonna go up, then it will switch the side and then start to go up and give me the entry like this, and just like the one I took on Friday for 190, right? So this is it. Just wanted to show you guys, share with you the NFP, and then we close on Friday, right? But this is where we stand. We have a nice move here. It started to go to the upside, but question is it going to go straight to the upside or drop first and then go to the upside? I would sincerely, I would like to see it drop first and then go to the upside. Then let's see what happens. But either way, I will, when the volume time comes, the prices start to move, and if this thing start to go up straight and give me like in the London session a long setup, I'll take it. Simple as that. 70-50 would be the target. If it's gonna drop here and then short first and then long again. All right. So this is where we stand in yen index, and this is now remember, when yen index is dropping, all yen pair will drop, and when yen index is going to the upside, all yen pair will go to the upside. This chart is yen index, right? Yen index dropping means yen is getting strong. Yen index going up, yen is getting weaker. Yen is always on the right hand side in each and every single pair. So if it is going to get weaker, all yen pair will be flying. All right. So I hope I explained it. So this is it for now. Manage yourself accordingly. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so you can get videos like this and set up your trade, plan your trade ahead of time, right? And if you want to get this system, the entry system, 7-minute, 20-minute charts, all of that, and you just go on my website and subscribe there, right? And be a part of it, and then get the, today is Saturday, so you still have Sunday, so you get the charts, set up your charts, all of that, and start trading accordingly. This from Monday. Right? This is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest of the weekend.